Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. With me is a lot. In today's video we'll show you how to remove or replace front door speaker, front door speaker and tweeter on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. We'll have to remove the door panel to do that, so we can get to the speakers, both of them. We'll show you the complete guide. Also guys, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please subscribe to the channel, many more videos will come. And also, if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make that video for you. So let's start on it now. So now we need a plastic panel removal tool. There is a few clips holding that trim piece. Okay, we just need to start prying them out. Be careful not to break anything. Take your time. It slides towards the back. You can see the last clip is like that. Now, you have to make sure that there is no clips left on those guides here, because those clips sometimes will come out and you need to make sure that they're situated here so you can install it later. After that, we need to remove a few screws, and those will be with Torx. Before we remove the screws, we need to remove this cover as well. This cover holds only on a few clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that you have. And we have a few hidden bolts there as well. We're going to need a Torx. Okay, let me get it quick to show you. Torx 20. Okay, this start looking a bit like that. Okay, one is out. Second one. Perfect. Now we have, this is the third one that we're removing. Fourth will be right there. Also guys, please subscribe. Quite a few videos will be uploaded on this car, and again, if you need anything, just drop a comment. We'll try to make that video for you. It might take a little bit of time, but we'll do our best. Okay, this one got a little bit stuck. Perfect. Now we need to get a panel removal tool. Okay, a little bit fatter one. And we need to start popping the clips open. Okay, usually on one side you might have a little bit more of a gap so you can reach easier. The panel will come this way. Okay, it will come out this way. Do not lift it up, because you have like 5-6 clips probably up there. Okay, so we start doing that. Now here we have to pull this way. Okay, still holding a little bit. Okay, perfect, came out. You have to make sure that the lock rod is there later. And now we need to disconnect all the wires, okay, and all the cables. So now we need to disconnect the door cable. That's the one for the interior door handle. You just pry on this side up a little bit and it will come out. That clip needs to come loose. After that, we need to disconnect the wires for the speakers. Pull those out. And lastly, we have to disconnect the window switch wire. Okay, there is one tooth right here that we need to pry just a little bit. Okay. The easiest way is actually to pull it out. Okay, let me get the tooth in. Okay, now we can pull it out. You just need to get the tooth out. And we have one more wire for the door light underneath. Okay, and the panel is out of the way. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So let's flip it on this side now. You have 1, 2, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips here. And on top you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. All those clips will need to be, okay, those clips, the plastic ones, will need to be installed on the door panel in order to install it later. Otherwise it will not work. So those are replaceable as well. If yours are broken, you can replace them. So once you remove the door panel, guys, we can get to the main door speaker right here. So this one has only, as you can see, only 3 nuts here. Plastic nuts holding it in place. So we'll show you how to remove those now. Okay, right here, and they have those are special nuts. They have plastic towards the end, so that way they do not get loose from vibrations. Otherwise they can get loose and the speaker will start to rattle. So it should be an 8mm socket. And all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below, so you can check it out if you need to see what we use. Perfect. And that speaker, guys, this came out of here, as you can see, just like that. Now for this one you have to gently pull it out of the canal. Okay, you have to kind of come in an angle. Okay, so you don't break it. Now the speaker is on the back side, right here. We have that foam piece here. And this is the speaker. It has 4 little feet kind of thing, clips holding it in place. So we need to spread those and pull the tweeter out. Okay, and this is it right here, the tweeter. And we already removed the speaker, both of them. So okay, installation is pretty much in reverse order that we took it apart. You need to install with the press-in so it gets stuck in the clips. All 4 of them need to go at the same time. Okay, perfect. Now we need to put that insulation here, otherwise it's going to rattle. Don't forget to put it in. Okay, that way you will not have any vibration. Now the speaker, the main speaker is super easy to install. All you have to do is just put the nuts together. Now we need to get that plastic in place. You get the front end right here first, I mean the rear, and then you close it. Okay, perfect. This one you cannot install it the wrong way because of the way the nuts are located, so it just goes only one certain way. So that's how you guys remove and replace the speakers. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, hit that subscribe button, like, and see you guys next time.